Ladies and gentlemen, after exploring a beautiful independent palace, now we are standing in our next stop. A piece of French romance in the heart of Saigon. Welcome to the Saigon Central Post Office. So, these beautiful landmarks were built from 1886 to 1891, were designed by the architects Alfred Faulhaus, a student of the famous engineers Gustave Eiffel, a designer of the famous from the iconic Eiffel Tower in France. At that time, the post office was constructed to meet the communications need of the French colonial administration, including sending letters, exchanging information, and transporting goods. And as you can see above the main entrance, that is the big clock. And I have a question for you. Which countries that come to mind when you see a watch or a clock?
Switzerland.
Yes, exactly, Switzerland. But in fact, Switzerland is not a country that invented clock, but it's a long and fascinating story behind. But to put it simply, in the 16th century, there's religion conflicts in France. So many talented French watchmaking were choose to leave their homeland and fell to Switzerland. And Switzerland was renowned by their beautiful jewelry making at that time, but there was a rule that's not allow people to wearing jewelries by not stop people from flashy showing off, but jewelry is against the law, but watch is okay. So by some coincidence, I said a beautiful fusion about the watch, the French watch technical and jewelry switch. And gentlemen, this we are, like I said, is the French colonial architecture, but this building is like influenced by the Indo-China architecture, and you can see the window system. This is a very special window system about the Indo-China architecture. You see, this is allowed, it's not allowed like the direction inside the interior, but it's allowed like a more natural light and more cooling, natural cooling inside, make like a cooling atmosphere inside, a natural cooling. So it's also it's like a private window system. Like the people inside cannot see, can see outside clearly, but the people from outside cannot see the people inside.